Hello everyone, I'm glad to have you in this course on HTML. In this series, you will learn everything you need to know about HTML. So let's get started. The first question is, what is HTML? HTML is a markup language. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It provides some titles, headings, paragraphs, lists, tables, embedded images, etc. describe the structure of text-based and multimedia information in web documents. HTML was created by Sir Tim Berners-Lee in late 1991, but was not officially released. It was published in 1995 as HTML 2.0. HTML 4.01 was published in late 1999 and was a major version. But in 2012, HTML5 was released, which is an extended version of that and being used worldwide. So let's talk about some advantages of HTML. So the first advantage is it is platform independent, so it can be run on Windows, Mac, Linux. So basically in any OS, because at the end of the day, HTML files happen to run on a browser, and every OS has their own browser like Edge, Safari, Chrome. So it is platform independent. And the second one is HTML is used to build websites. So if you research, then you will find that almost every website or web page is built with HTML. And the third one is it can be integrated with other languages like CSS, JavaScript, etc. And now let's talk about some disadvantages too. So the first one is HTML can create only static web pages. So by static, I mean the web page cannot interact with the user with their action. And for every user, it looks similar. For dynamic web pages, other languages must be used. Second disadvantage is a large amount of code must be written to create a simple web page. So if you plan to create a web page with just only HTML, then you have to write more and more code because the page is not interactive and the page has no logic. And the third one is the security is not that much great.